And special video for all the haters who says that I cannot do butt panels like that. Well, of course I can. Look at the state of this. How you like it better? Is it with that outdated panel or with that one? So yeah, keep going. I'll keep installing those panels and upgrade people's bathrooms. And you haters, you can talk whatever you like, but I'm convinced that this panel is much better than what I have just removed. Yeah, enjoy the rest of your day and be positive, because the haters also can be positive. Thank you very much for watching again, and if you want me to fit you one, please get in touch. You know the number. No worries. Cheers. Bye bye.